English essay. Trees. Trees are man's best friends. They are very useful to us. Trees give us fruits, vegetables, and flowers. They give us wood for fuel. Timber is used to build houses and make furniture. Paper is also made from the pulp of trees. We get many medicines from fruits, leaves, and roots of trees. Birds build their nests in trees. Even animals depend on trees for their food. Trees give us cool shade. Trees make our surroundings beautiful. Trees keep the environment clean. Thus, they prevent soil erosion. They purify the air. Trees attract rain clouds. Trees are our natural wealth. Therefore, we must not cut down trees. A tree plantation program known as Van Mahotsav is held every year. Save the trees and they will save us. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.